Okay, you should still be on the same project that we were working on with the last video. So the new product preview solution. Okay, and what we want to do now is we are going to duplicate slides that aren't right next to each other. Okay, so we want to go to slide sorter view. So you can do it two places. You can go right here to slide sorter, or you can go down here in your task pane and click these little four checkerboard. Okay, so slide sorter view. So this is what we have in slide sorter view. Now, if you want, you can zoom in a little bit so you can see a little better of what's on each slide. Okay, if you are working on a small screen, you may have to adjust the size of the slides so that they fit on the screen better so that you can make the changes. Okay, so I just upped mine to 100%. Hopefully that will be enough for us. We want to click on slide 4. So you'll notice right here you have the number 4. When you click on a slide, it puts an orange box around it so you know that slide is selected. Okay, we are going to select more than one that is not right next to each other, okay? And so remember on a PC when we want to do that, when they're not right next to each other, we have to hold the control key down. On the Mac, it's the command key. Okay, so you're going to hold your command key down and then you're going to click on slide 7. And so that also puts a little box around slide 7. And so you know it is also selected. Okay, we're going to click up here on the Home tab. And we want to click on copy. Okay, the two slides are copied to your clipboard. Okay, we want to click to the right side of slide 9. So we're going to click right here and you will notice that flashing vertical line. Wherever that flashing vertical line, let's say we want to copy and we want to paste these right here, wherever that is where it would place what we copied. Okay, so we're going to place it right here and we are going to just hit paste. So click on the paste button up here at the top, or you can use your keys strokes. I'm not quite sure what they are on a Mac. I haven't played with that. So if you know what they are on a Mac, go for it. I'm assuming, are they Control V just like they are? Nope. Command V? Yep, it's Command V. So I'm going to so maybe with all our control stuff from a PC, it is a command key now. Okay. So now we have those copied slides are now 10 and 11. All right. Copied slides are pasted. We want to click on slide 2. This is this year's new products slide. Okay, and we want to click on it to select it. On the Home tab, we're going to click New Slide drop-down arrow. Okay, so we're going to go right here to the New Slide drop-down arrow, and we're going to click Duplicate Selected Slides. So right here, it says Duplicate Slide. So you're going to click on that, and notice what it did. It gave you a duplicate of slide 2. Okay, and it put it right next to it. All right, hit save. And then we want to go to, we're going to close this file. So we're going to go up here to the gray file and hit close so that PowerPoint, it's still open. You'll notice up here on your gray screen or gray menu bar, you still see PowerPoint, but you don't see it on your screen right now. Okay, the next file that we want to open, we're going to go to File and Open, because we're going to open a file that is already on our computer. So we're going to hit Open, and it's going to be on my Mac. And then I want to go to Desktop because it's in my PowerPoint folder. Again, if you have not downloaded all your files, make sure you have done that. We want to open Management Values. Okay, so this is your management values. We're going to save as. So we're going to go to File, Save As. And we are going to name this our username And then after values, we're going to do solution. Okay, you want to make sure this goes back into your PowerPoint chapter 2 and hit save. And so there you are, and we're ready to go. Okay, we want to go to slide sorter view. So you can either go to view and go to slide sorter view, or you can do it down here in your task pane. So this is our slide sorter view. We want to adjust the zoom control in the status bar as necessary so that all of your slides fit on one screen. So you have all of these. If it happens to be blown up to where you can't see all of the slides, make sure you minimize it so you see all your slides. You have 10 slides, make sure all 10 slides are on the screen. Okay, we want to click on slide 5. Okay, this is our extended family slide. And we want to drag it to the left side of slide 4, which is our customers. Okay, so we're going to grab it, which is selected, and notice when we move it, and we want it to be right here to the left of slide 4, and we're going to drop it. So notice those changed places, and they also changed numbers. So that what was slide 5, which was our extended family, is now slide 4. Okay, we want to switch to outline view. And in the outline pane, we want to click the slide icon to the left, slide 7's title. So we're going to go down here and we're going to find slide 7. And we're going to click right here on this slide, this little slide icon. Okay. And we're going to drag slide 7's icon down. Okay. When a horizontal line appears between 8 and 9, you're going to release it. So we're going to move this down here underneath 8 and 9, and notice it has a little blue line that is right there between 8 and 9, and we're going to drop it. Okay, so now 7 or 8 becomes 7 and 7 becomes 8. So it renumbers it for you and it moved it to where it's in a different spot. Okay, switch back to normal view. Okay, and we want to make sure we are on slide 8, which is we commit ourselves. Okay, in the slides pane, we want to drag slide 8 down and we want to drop it between 9 and 10. So right now we're going to grab this and we're going to move it, and see you have that orange line that goes between 9 and 10, and we're going to drop it. So now that moves we commit to slide 9. Okay. So that is how we do it. So hit save. So that is a different way that you can move them. You can move them in slide sorter view. You can move slides in outline view. However you want to move them, wherever you want to move them, you can move them. Okay, our next one is how to delete a slide. Okay, we're going to switch to slide sorter view. Okay, and we're going to click on slide 10. Slide 10 in this presentation is blank, so we want to move, we want to get rid of it. So with it selected, you're going to hit your delete key on your keyboard and it disappears. Okay, so it is all gone, and that's how we delete. Okay, we are going to hit save so that this presentation is complete, and then we're going to go to close. So file, close. Okay, and we're going to leave PowerPoint up for our next project, step by step. Okay, that's it for this video. Our next video, we will be doing some other things with other files. So we're going to start a new video.